Hey guys, welcome back to Professional WordPress Web Development course. In our last video, we have seen what is posts widget, right? So in this video, we'll see what are portfolio widget. Portfolio widget, by using portfolio widget, you can easily create something like this, and you can easily filter posts, pages, and products as well in a very beautiful grid format, right? So what you are seeing right now here is these are all the posts and these are all the filters, or you can say these are all the post categories. I can easily filter the posts by these filters called categories. Instead of categories, we can have tags as well here, right? So let me just show you what we can build. This is the post filtered by categories, and you can also create simple design like this. These are just nothing but posts, and as soon as you click here to any of these images, you'll be redirected to that particular article, post article. If it is you have created a portfolio widget for pages, then after clicking that particular image, you'll be redirected to that particular page. And also you can create something like this where you can easily create a grid for your products, and it can be categorized or filtered by using the product categories. Isn't it awesome? So let's see how to use this widget. You need to go to all products widget here, you need to go to all widgets area, and under pro, the second widget that you can see, that you are able to see here, is portfolio. What you need to do is create a section on the page and just drag and drop wherever you want it, right? As soon as you drop it here, this is the default design that comes up, and now you can start customizing. First select this widget and then go to content part. Let's see what are the options that we have in content part. First thing is you can decide the number of columns. If you want 2-column layout, or if you want 4-column layout, or if you want 6-column layout, you can decide, right? Let me just keep it 3-column layout for now, and then you can decide number of articles, number of posts that you want to show. If you want to show 12, or right like this, or if you want to show just 3, you can limit it. And then you can decide the image size. These are the feature images that you have set for those articles that you have uploaded, and here you can decide what are the sizes in which it has to be displayed. And then you can enable masonry styling as well, and if it is required, because the images that were uploaded are all of same size, you won't see any difference here. But in case let's say if one image is rectangular format and another is portrait format, then the styling will definitely change. You can try it by using a different feature image, different dimensions of feature images for your posts. You can try that, and then if you want to show the title, you can show, or else you can just disable it, right? It is better that you show title. It'll look good, so that visitor knows what article will he be entering into as soon as they click. And then after layout options, what we have is here. Okay, so title HTML tag. Here you can assign the tags that you want for these titles that are being shown here. H3 is perfect. H1 is not recommended because if the page title already has H1 tag, right? So it is not required to create double H1 tags, duplicate H1 tags. Okay, the second option is query. Query here you can right now by default it places the posts, but you can use pages, you can add products, you can do manual selection or current query or related. You can use this products option to easily list your products as well. And let's say you want to use filters, then you have this option called filter bar, and it is currently disabled. You can enable it so that you can show the filters, and you need to select what kind of filters that you want to show. Do you want to show categories? Do you want to filter by tags, formats, product categories, and product tags? Since these are products, so I'll have to use product categories. Now these product categories are listed and they are working as well. Now yeah, under queries you can list products, pages, and posts, and then you can also select manually. And in case if let's say you have selected products but you don't want to include a certain product, then you can just click here and select that particular product and exclude it from listing here, right? Or else if you want to include some products, then you can just select include here and then search by term, select term, and then enter the term, and based on the term, based on the product name, you are including it here. Okay, let me just remove this. Let me just keep it default, and you can sort it by date or order by menu order, random, and title, date, and order can be descending or ascending as per your requirement. And then you can assign a query ID as well. Right now I'm not using this query anywhere else, or I don't have to link it, or I don't wish to use it anywhere else in my website to link or something, so I don't have to assign it. But as it is optional, you can assign an ID for this query as well, right? But it depends upon your requirement. Right now I'll just keep it as it is, and then filter bars, we have already enabled it. Okay, let's see what are the styling options we have. Can you see these product images are two attached with each other? Product images are attached to each other. So let me create some gap between columns, and let us have some row gaps as well. You cannot see row gap because right now only 3 products are there. What we can do is we can just have some more products, like let's say 6 products, and then so that you can easily see the difference of what happens if we change the row gap, right? You're able to see this gap between the 2 row increases or decreases. You can add border radius if it is required. Let me just keep it 0. It looks clean and neat. And item overlay, as you can see, as soon as I hover mouse over this, we can see this green color, right? You can change this to something else, or else you can just make it transparent, like this. This is fine. Or else let's say a bit darker. Yeah, this is fine, I guess, right? Or else you can just change the color if you require, if it is required. This is also fine. Well, then you have this typography styling. As you can see, the title of that post, right? Title of the product, and here you can update the font family for that particular product. Font family, font size, font weight, and all those things related to typography. And for filter bar, again you have typography. This is the filter bar, and you can update the font family, font size, and all those things here. And color and active color, you can change this active color to something green or something, or red, and then make it black or slight gray. Yeah, and let's slightly increase the size of these filters. Yeah, okay. And then you can change the space between, or also you can increase the space below. Right now it looks pretty much good. Yeah, this is fine. So this is what it is, and let me just update it and see how it looks. Okay, you can you can just make a beautiful widget like this so that your customers can simply see what are the product categories available in your store, and they can easily navigate within just from a single screen, right? And then they can just click that particular product and they'll be taken to the product page, and from which they can purchase the product. Or else same thing, you can, what you can do is you can, under query, if you come here and select pages, sorry, if you select posts, and then in filter bar you can select categories, and here you can create portfolio based on the posts, right? This is how you use this widget called as portfolio widget. And let me just keep it this way. I'll not update this one. I want products to be under portfolio, so let me just cancel it. Okay, so this is how we use portfolio widget. And let me know if you have any questions. Go ahead, show your creativity, and let me see what you can build by using this widget, right? And thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video with another widget.